Good morning, you guys. I just wanted to reach out to you guys and give you a little bit of instruction on what your assignment for today will be. We are going to be talking about our big theme for this quarter. It's going to be a challenge to make a difference. So this is really relevant for what we are going through right now. So I think that you guys will really enjoy this unit in and of itself. For today's assignment, we are going to be talking about what is a public service announcement? What is a PSA? Well, in case you didn't know, a PSA is an informational clip that's usually pretty short that raises awareness to some sort of problem. This problem could be like climate change, it could be smoking, it could be bullying, all of the above. So today I'm going to kind of walk you guys through what your assignment will be, and then we will kind of go from there. If you have any extra questions after this video, please feel free to email me, send me a remind message, any and all of the above. I want to be able to help you with this because I know that this is a critical skill for you guys to be learning. First things first, we're going to be going through the instructions for what you actually need to do for this assignment. The directions state, watch each of these short videos and analyze the message. This will help you understand what a public service announcement actually does. I am going to be showing you guys a model video here in just a moment, and we're going to work through answering all of these questions together. All right, so our first question is, who is the audience? This is who the video is really trying to reach. Who did they make this for? All right. Usually they're going to try and hit a certain group. So we'll see that here in our model video shortly. Like we said earlier, each PSA is also going to have a problem that they want you to kind of think about solving. So we're going to discuss what the problem is in our PSA, what is presented to us. And also, public service announcements always have a call to action. That's like their way of trying to persuade you to step in. They want you to try and solve this problem. They want you to think of ways that you can make this issue better. That's their whole reason for making a public service announcement. So we are going to really be thinking about what is the video asking people to do. And last but not least, we're going to look at who is the sponsor of this campaign. Who made the video? Who is the person or the organization that is backing this message? That's usually going to be at the very beginning or the very end of the video. And in our case, for our model video, it will also be located underneath the title of the video. So we'll be looking at that together. So let's look at our model video first. It's called I Am Enough. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so let's go back to our assignment and let's look here. Let's go through our model together. After watching our video, I Am Enough, let's think about who the audience is. Who are they trying to reach? So first things first, when I'm looking at this video, I'm seeing a lot of teenagers. I'm seeing kids with cell phones, and I'm seeing high school age, maybe middle school age children. So for my audience, I'm going to put teenagers. Hopefully. All right, for our problem. So what is the problem that's presented in this video? We saw a whole array of things going on, from a girl getting bullied, being called fake in the very beginning of this video. So that could be our problem. We also saw that she was putting post-it notes everywhere, spreading the kind words that she felt after seeing someone post that she was enough. So let's think about our problem. What is the problem here? Overall, it's going to be bullying. So I'm going to put the young girl was being bullied. Okay. The call to action. So what do they want you to do? Why was this made? Why did this sponsor of the campaign think that this message was important? What is this message? What do they want you to take away from this? So after thinking about it, and think about it for a second, what are they asking people to do? We noticed the young lady, she, after seeing the "I am enough" post-it, she added her own, saying "you are beautiful." And then she comes back, it looks like to be a few days later maybe, and sees the entire bathroom filled with kind words. Our call to action is going to be spreading kindness through words. Okay. And then last but not least, the sponsor of our campaign. It was posted at the very beginning, but we're also going to take a look, and it's going to be also right here underneath the title where it says the kindness campaign. Okay, so the sponsor is going to be the kindness campaign. Let's make sure I can spell this right, you guys. You know it's not my forte. There we go. Okay, the kindness campaign. We'll kind of put that down there so you can see the whole thing. All right. So what you will be doing for this assignment is you'll be doing exactly what we just did together, but you're going to be looking at 3 other public service announcement videos. And those are going to be located right here, the links are. So you're going to watch the Veterans video, the LAX video, and Wishes. And you will be working through this chart on your own, doing exactly what we just did together. Okay. If you have any extra questions or anything else that you need help with, make sure that you're asking me, sending me remind messages. And the big takeaway I want you guys to really think about is, how can we make a difference? What can we do to make a difference in our world today? All right. Have a great Wednesday, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I'm so proud of your hard work. Have a wonderful day.